Hello viewers, welcome to Languages with Passion. Today I brought for you another news and we will learn this news. So let's get started. تركيا تجدد دعمها لليبيا وبريطانيا قلقة من إغلاق موانئ النفط احتجاج بترهونة لأقارب مفقودين ومخطوفين لدى قوات حفتر. تركيا subject جدد يجدد تجديدا to renew. Its verb دعم يدعم دعما to support. Its object of جدد تجدد. وبريطانيا قلقة. قلقة is active participle اسم فاعل and قلق يقلق قلقا to worry to concern. قلقة worried concerned. أغلق يغلق إغلاق to close. موانئ النفط is possession موصوف صفة. ميناء جمع موانئ port harbor and موانئ النفط oil terminal where the oil is stored, the place where the oil is stored. احتج يحتج احتجاج. احتجاج is genitive and gerund, infinitive or gerund. protest بترهونة name of place. أقرب جمع أقارب relative kin family kin kin. مفقودين فقد يفقد فقدا وفقدانا to lose. and مفقود it's passive participle اسم مفعول. خطف يخطف خطفا to kidnap to abduct. مخطوف اسم مفعول. so ترهونة and أقارب the both are غير منصرف inflectionless noun. That's why tarhuna and as well as أقارب is not accepting any tanween or kasra. بترهونة لأقارب مفقودين. أقرب أقارب مفقودين ومخطوفين. These are the adjective. Okay, let's see. Turkey renews its support for Libya and Britain concerned about closure of the oil terminal. Closure or shutdown. Okay. Protest in Tarhuna for missing and kidnapped relatives or kin or kidnapped families by Haftar forces. Quwwatun jama quwwat, army, force. Let's see some word. قلق يقلق قلقا to worry to concern. ميناء جمع موانئ port harbor. ميناء النفط أو البترول أو البترول. oil terminal oil depot the place where oil is deposited, is storage. Okay, let's go ahead. نظم عدد من الأطفال والنساء في مدينة ترهونة شمالي غربي ليبيا اليوم السبت وقفة احتجاجية طالبوا خلالها بالكشف عن مصير ذويهم المفقودين والمخطوفين والمختطفين من قبل قوات اللواء المتقاعد خليفة حفتر خلال سيطرتها على المدينة قبل أن تستعيدها قوات الوفاق أوائل يونيو حزيران الماضي. نظم verb to organize. نظم ينظم تنظيم. عدد جمع أعداد number figure and adadum min al atfal wan nisa. These are the subject of nazama. Tiflun jama atfal, child, and nisa is plural of imra'atun, okay, woman. And nisa always will be used as plural, and singular is imra'atun. في مدينة ترهونة شمالي غربي ليبيا اليوم السبت. It's ظرف زمان. Okay, that's why they are مرفوع. اليوم السبت. وقفة احتجاجية. These after becoming adjective. وقفة احتجاجية. These two words are becoming here object of nazama. They organized a protest halt, protest pause, a protest stoppage. طالبوا خلالها. Ha is returning to وقفة احتجاجية. They demanded for what? They demanded to reveal. كشف يكشف كشفا, to reveal. About what? About masir. Masir, fate. Zavihi. See, I am telling you here an important grammar rule. It's about zoo. Zoo is one of the 5 special noun, and they have exceptional rule and regulation about Arab. What are they? Abun, akhun, hamun, famun, zoo. Okay, so in case of nominative means in case of rafa, the i'rab will be with wow. Okay, jaa abuka, jaa akhuka. In case of accusative, in case of nasab, the i'rab will be with alif. Ra'aytu akhaka, ra'aytu abaka. And in case of genitive, in case of kasra, okay, so i'rab will be with ya. Marartu bi abika, marartu bi akhika. And zu meaning is the honor of something. For example, zu malin, zu sultatin, the one who have mal, who has mal, and the one who has authority. Anta zu malin, anta zu sultatin. But here zu jama plural is zabu or zavin, and just because of becoming muzaf, noon was deleted. Okay, so zavihim means relative. Zu fulanin, zabu fulanin, relative, kin, family. المفقودين والمختطفين من قبل قوات اللواء المتقاعد. تقاعد يتقاعد تقاعدا, to retire. المتقاعد retired. And اللواء, the original meaning is اللواء, banner, flag, but here لواء means major general. سيطرتها على المدينة قبل أن تستعيد. استعاد يستعيد, to regain, to recover, to recapture. قوات اللواء. Let's see some English. A number of children and women in Tarhuna city, northwest of Libya. Shimaliji Gharbiji Libya, northwest of Libya, organized today on Saturday a protest halt, a protest pause, a protest stoppage, during which khilalaha, they demanded talabu, to reveal bil kashfi, the fate of missing and kidnapped relatives. Zavihim, relatives, by forces of retired Major General Khalifa Haftar during their control on the city. Khilala saytaratiha, saytara, control. Saytara, yusaytiru, to regain the control. Okay, on city, alal madinati, before al-wifaq. Al-Wifaq is name of the party in Libya, and whole name is other Hizbul Wifaq Al-Watani, like that. So Al-Wifaq forces regained Tasta'idaha, regained the city in early June. Awail Yuniu and Hazinan both are same in early June. Al Mazi last June, present just which past. Okay, let's see some words. Zu jama zabu. Zu fulanin. It's a prefix word, means it's a word in Arabic which come at beginning of any noun or infinitive or gerund. Okay, so meaning if honor of something. But zu fulanin relative, kin, family. Faqada yafqidu fuqdanan wa faqdan, to lose. خطف يخطف خطفا اختطف, to kidnap, to abduct. تقاعد يتقاعد تقاعدا, to retire, superannuate. لواء جمع الويئة الويات, major general. استعاد يستعيد استعادة, to regain, to recover, to recapture. وناشد أهالي الضحايا عقلاء المنطقة الشرقية المساهمة في الكشف عن مصير أبنائهم المختطفين، خاصة بعد ورود أنباء عن وجود بعضهم في سجون سرية بالمنطقة. ناشد يناشد مناشدة means to appeal. أهل جمع أهالي وأهلون, family, relative. ضحية جمع ضحايا, it's victim or martyr. And أهالي الضحايا is subject of ناشدة. عقلاء المنطقة الشرقية. المنطقة الشرقية after becoming adjective, it is the possession of uqala, and uqala is possessed noun. Al-musahamata, it's a second object of nashada. In every language there are some verb which come with two object. So first object is uqala ul mintaqati sharqiyya, and second al-musahamata. Al-musahama, to participate, to contribute. في الكشف عن مصير أبنائهم المختطفين، خاصة بعد ورود أنباء. نبأ جمع أنباء, news, information, report. عن وجود بعضهم في سجون سرية بالمنطقة. The families of victims appeal to wise men of eastern region to contribute in revealing the fate of their kidnapped sons, especially خاصة after reports have been received. Warada yaridu wurud, to come, to be received, about presence of some of them in secret prisons. Sijunun jama sujud, prison. Bil mintaqa, mintaqatun jama manatiq, region. Let's see some words. Nashada yunashidu munashadatan, to appeal, to invoke. Ahlun jama ahali wa ahlun, kin, family. Zahiyatun jama zahaya, victim, martyr. Sahama yusahimu musahamatan, to participate, to contribute. Warada yaridu wurudan, to come. That's all for today. We'll meet in next video, and you can give your suggestion and valuable advices in comment below. Thank you.